Have you ever wondered why the universe isn't slowing down? After the Big Bang, gravity should have pulled everything back together. Galaxies should be slowing as their mutual attraction tugs on them, but instead, something far stranger is happening. The universe is expanding faster and faster, as if an invisible force is pushing everything apart. Scientists call this mysterious force dark energy, and here's the wild part. It makes up about 70% of the entire universe. The story begins in the late 1990s. Two teams of astronomers were studying distant, exploding stars called Type Ia supernovae. These stars are so bright and consistent that they act like cosmic lighthouses, allowing astronomers to measure how far away they are. But when scientists compared their brightness to their distance, they found something shocking. The supernovae were dimmer than expected. The universe had expanded more than it should have, which meant its expansion wasn't slowing down, it was speeding up. This discovery was so revolutionary that it won the 2011 Nobel Prize in Physics. So what exactly is dark energy? The truth is, we don't know. But there are two leading ideas. The first is the cosmological constant. Over a century ago, Einstein added this term to his equations of relativity to keep the universe from collapsing under gravity. Later he scrapped it, calling it his biggest blunder. But today that very idea, an energy built into the fabric of space itself, might actually explain dark energy. The second idea is called quintessence, which imagines dark energy not as a constant but as a strange dynamic field that changes over time. To understand how big this is, let's zoom out. The universe is made of three main ingredients. Normal matter, everything we can see from stars and planets to you and me, makes up just about 5%. Dark matter, which we can't see but know is there because of its gravitational pull, is about 27%. And the rest, nearly 70%, is dark energy. In other words, most of the universe is made of stuff we don't understand. Why does this matter? Because dark energy controls the fate of the cosmos. If it stays constant, galaxies will keep drifting farther apart until the night sky grows darker and emptier. If dark energy gets stronger, it could lead to the terrifying scenario of a big rip where galaxies, stars, and eventually even atoms themselves get torn apart. Or if dark energy weakens or changes sign, expansion might one day stop and reverse, leading to a big crunch, collapsing the universe back into itself. Right now we can only measure its effects, not its true nature. Dark energy is invisible, untouchable, and completely mysterious, and yet it's the single most dominant force in shaping the universe. It's a reminder that even with all our telescopes, satellites, and equations, the cosmos still hides its deepest secrets from us. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, most of what's out there, nearly 3/4 of it, is something we don't understand. Something so strange we simply call it dark energy.